my friends, welcome back. And today's episode is Kitchen Concrete Countertops, the Pros and Cons. We've had ours for 3 years. We've learned some things about them, and we'd like to pass that on to you if you are considering doing this as a DIY installation. Our passion is to help you save more so that you can do more with your DIY home renovations. So go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out any of the episodes that we have to share great information with you. I want to start out this entire episode with saying, I'm going to answer the question that most people have asked me, and that is, would we do this kitchen concrete countertop again? And my answer is yes, a resounding yes. I love them, and there are many pros to why I would do it again. But for those of you who maybe are on the fence, or this might be too big of a DIY project for you, there are some cons. And so I want to highlight those, but I first have to start with a story. It's like my teacher in me. I always have to start with a story. So 1 week after we had moved the cabinets, the refrigerator, the stove, everything into our kitchen, one of my friends asked me if I would be a host on a historic tour that our town does in order to raise money for the Historic Society. I said no. I was just like overloaded on DIY, everything, and we had just gone through the renovation. I said no. And she begged. She was like, listen, we've had 2 houses drop out. It's an annual thing. It raises money for a historic society. And so I caved, knowing that maybe I could help somebody as they came through if they were looking for renovation ideas. Sure, I could help them out. And so over the course of an hour or 3 hours, we had about 400 people come through our home. And the biggest thing people commented on were our concrete countertops in our kitchen. We were so delighted at that point because we knew that we were onto something. We knew that we were kind of on the beginning edge. Not a lot of people do concrete countertops. It's certainly becoming more trendy, and a lot of people are talking about it and doing it. But as far as a home DIY project at the time, we didn't know anybody. We knew like 2 other people that had done these in their home. So we were really delighted to share our information with them. I don't know what kind of person you are as far as like, do you like it as the glass is half empty, or if the glass is half full? So pros and cons can go either way depending on how you're looking at the project. For me, I'm gonna start with the cons because I like to know up front, like, should I even go to the pros if the cons are too great? So here is the number 1 con that I would say to kitchen concrete countertops, and that is your skill set. If I would have done this on my own without my left brain husband, I would not have tried this. Not to this magnitude. As I've said before in many other videos that I'll link to at the bottom, as well as I'll put some cards up here, we did a 13 by 5 section here, and then there's 2 4 by 4 sections over there in my kitchen. They were pretty big sections, and I know that I did not have the precise skill set that you needed that my husband had. So that was definitely number 1 con. Number 2 con, what skill set I did have, which I kind of will stick in the pro section of this too, but the con section would be I have some artistic ability. So I knew what I wanted it to look like in the end, whereas my husband, if you would have left this, he would have had 1 color and that was it. And that's all he would have done. He would have never tried the pooling and the marble-esque-ing. I'm not sure if that's a word. I love making up my own words. But he would have never tried to do that for this project. So that's a con. If you do not have, well, if you want it to look artistic, but you do not have that ability, that is a con for this project. That's not to say that you can't learn the skill. I watched I don't know, 30 different videos on using all the different techniques. They were using sponges, they were using sprays, they were using pooling, they were mixing in the color with white concrete. The list could go on. We go into great detail about this in our concrete countertop course, where we actually give step-by-step tutorials, we give videos, we give checklists, we really, it's like a 1-hour course that will help you think through all of that. But in this just short pros and cons, that would be one of the cons if you're not artistic. I wanted to explain my 3rd con just a little bit more. And that is, there are some cracks and some chips out of the concrete. Nothing huge, but, and I certainly don't baby the countertop. Like I'm not, oh, don't, we live in our kitchen. It is quite durable. It's concrete. However, there are a few nicks and little divots out specifically around this edge of the sink. And I believe it's because, like when you're putting your cast iron in here, sometimes you just clip the edge. I have kids, I have young kids, so that's an issue. I also noticed over here where my dishwasher is, if I'm taking something out of the sink and putting it in the dishwasher, I cannot tell you how many times I clip the edge. There are a few little nicks out of it. Now for me, I don't care because everything in my house is old. I mean, it's a 120-year-old home. So the floors aren't straight, the walls aren't straight, so therefore does the concrete countertop have to be in pristine condition? No, it doesn't for me. But if that is something that would drive you crazy, this is a con. Number 4 for the cons is, and I kind of mentioned this in 3, there are a few cracks in the countertop. I noticed specifically there's one right here near the water source, and there is one over there. I did not actually notice them until I was cleaning up chocolate spilled all over the counter, and I thought, oh, look at that. So it hasn't cracked like through the countertop like you would a sidewalk. It merely cracked down here, and it hasn't splintered off, it hasn't come apart, and you can't really even feel the crack. I mean, maybe, yeah, you can feel this one just a little bit down here. So I'm not concerned about it cracking and falling apart. I just know that there's a little crack, and I wanted to make sure that you knew that if you were thinking about doing this as a project. The 5th con that I want to talk about is after you've sealed your countertop, I don't cut with a straight knife without a cutting board. You could. I just choose not to. I put too much work into it that I feel like I can protect it. And I don't protect it with a lot, but either a paper towel or I have a Pampered Chef cutting board that sometimes I'll use. So there are, and you cannot see them unless you're absolutely looking for them. I even tried to take a picture of it and it really doesn't show up. But if you're in person, you can see that there are some scratch marks in the sealant. It's not in the actual countertop. It's like on the protective the protective seal on it. We did, I think, 7 layers when we did this in order to protect the concrete itself. You could sand that off. You can reseal it again after 3 years. There are scrapes like the tiniest. If you are extremely particular, you would see them. I cannot see them, and it's also because I texturized the coloring of it, so it's kind of like, when you have solid versus when you have a pattern on it. You can't see it as much. So that's, but that is a con if that bothers you. The last con that I have for you is purely I love sparkle. And so therefore, any of the granite, quartz, any marble, what I looked at that had the sparkle in it was way beyond the budget that we had set for our countertops. So knowing that I wanted some element of sparkle, I tried to put it into our concrete countertops. I used mica flakes. And when we put them on originally, they literally had that fleck color that sparkled. It was beautiful. But like I said in the last con, we put 7 layers on it in order to protect the concrete. As a result, every time the mica flake got covered up with the sealant, it dulled to the point where we laugh and say now the concrete countertops look like they have chicken pox in places. And I always show that to people who are coming through, who are looking, because a lot of times they'll say, I want to add sparkle. I tried glitter, I tried mica flakes, and I tried several pieces of it with certain colors, wondering if I could get the shine that I wanted, and I was not successful in that. You can do it with an epoxy. You can get a shine. And I have a friend that did epoxy on the top, and I mean, his concrete countertop shone like no tomorrow. But I wanted more of like the glitter veining as opposed to the actual countertop itself in its entirety shiny. So that was a con that was for me, for concrete countertops, that it may or may not be important to you. So we're going to go with the pros. And to me, the pros far outweigh the cons, but let me stack them up for you to see if they measure up for you and whether this is going to be a project that you want to do as a DIY installation. First pro that I have is the cost. Hands down, it is far less expensive for you to install these concrete countertops than it is any other product except for laminate. That's the only one that I have. Maybe butcher block, but it also depends on what type of wood you're going to use. The second pro that I have for you, pro to installing kitchen concrete countertops, is I love a custom look. And sometimes custom just costs a lot more. And in this case, because we experimented with a lot of different colors and stains and dyes and color of concrete as far as the base, we were able to discover what looked the best for our kitchen, and it's one of a kind. I love that about concrete countertops, that you can customize it to your desire or your need or your color. My number 3, I'm thrown into the pros because if you are doing DIY concrete countertops, there's a lot of decisions to be made. And when it came to the forms, that is how you're going to, whether you're putting it in place or you're doing it, you're pouring off site, you still have to form it up. And there were only 11 different forms for me to choose. When I went into the granite countertop and the quartz countertop, I felt like there were a lot more decisions to make as far as how I wanted it to look and this and that. And I was just a little overwhelmed when it was like, when there were 11 and I knew that there were only 3 that were practical. To me, that was a pro. So finding out what forms I wanted to use for the concrete countertop was pretty much an easy process for me, and so I put that in the pro side. The fourth pro that I want to share with you is I liked that we were able to custom design not just the color and not just the edging or the forms that you used, but also the shape and the size. We were not sure on our island how far, and when you are doing granite, you also can absolutely customize it to how big or how long, or you can do those things. But for us, it was just more inexpensive, even though we were going to do a huge chunk and have an overhang. So that was pretty cool. I thought, you mean I can just design this and it's not really adding to the total cost by like thousands? Done. To me, that was a pro. The fifth pro that I have for you, I don't think I thought about it during the installation process, but now in hindsight, I'm really glad. We did not think about how we were going to clean the concrete countertops. I did research it. I researched the seals that there were, but as 3 years into this, I have never had to reseal them, wax them, use a special polish, none of those items. I know when I interviewed several people, if you look below, I linked to how to clean different surfaces of other countertop materials. So check that out. But for us, one of the pros was I wipe it off with a Norwex cloth or even just paper towels that are wet. I wipe it off, it cleans up and it shines up, and I'm very happy with that. So that was definitely a pro for me, the cleaning that was involved. Pro number 6 for me was not having to make a decision about the backsplash when it was installed. Now, let me just give a little background here. We went straight to the wall, and we knew that we were going to need a backsplash. And a lot of times when you're buying your granite or your quartz, you want to do that simultaneously if you're going to use that as like a lip or an edging. And I just wasn't sure at that time. I hadn't decided on all of my paint colors, and I certainly was not ready to do the jewelry of the kitchen, which you'll see. I'll go ahead and link. I never know where the links are. Somewhere there's a link to the backsplashes that we did. But that was a big thing, was that we could install it. We could install it right to the wall. We could seal it, and then we had some flexibility of when we were going to install our backsplash. So that was a pro for me. So to wrap up the pros and the cons, as you can see, to every project there is a pro and the con. And that is why I interviewed the friends that I had who had other different countertop materials, because I was trying to see, when it comes down to it, we all have a pro and con to what we're willing to do, whether that's the time that it's going to take to actually install it or no time at all, the cost that it's going to take, or the inexpensive or the expensive cost, the durability of it or the cleaning portion of it, the look of it, the customization of it. There are so many things that go into picking a countertop, and really it's down to what you want. So that's why I felt that this was really important to do. Obviously, we love our concrete countertops. We would do it again. If we do this again in a house, if we thought about it, we probably would do this again. I don't know. Sometimes maybe I would do something else just because of the time, but I really like it for this home. And so I am glad to share those pros and cons with you. Would you let me know if this video helped you decide whether, yes, you want to install concrete countertops, or nope, I clarified it, you're gonna go with another type of material? I would like to know that. As I said throughout the video, we did compile all of the information that we learned while installing our kitchen concrete countertops, and we made it into a course. It is in the link below, and there are several kind of infomercials that will tell you what you would learn in that. The biggest thing about it is this was a work in progress. We spent over 60 hours researching between my husband and myself because we wanted to get it right. It's still a lot of money. Whether you like the pros or cons, it still is an investment in your kitchen. And especially on new kitchen cabinets, I didn't want to mess up. So we kind of took the information that we learned. We would still strongly encourage you, look all through YouTube. There's tons of videos. We've even linked to some of our favorite below that we learned from as well. But if you want all that information packaged up in a way that can help you with your project, please click on the link below or give us a shout out if you have any questions about it. And we'd love to give you any information along with what we've already done in order to help you make a decision. So I started out with it and I'll end with it. Yes, I would do this DIY project again. I would install kitchen concrete countertops in another kitchen. It was a very big project. It was completely customizable. I did do it with my husband. I would not do it with myself. But if I was by myself, I'd get a friend because I love how customized it is. I love the shape that we were able to do. I love the colors that I was able to have freedom with, and the design, the creative portion of it. And the durability of it has been wonderful after 3 years. And most of all, to me, was the cost. It was absolutely worth the cost. It was far less than anything else that I had looked at when we were trying to do this kitchen renovation. So I hope our pros and cons help you make a decision, and let us know below, did this help you? And if so, are you gonna do it, or are you gonna go and do something else? Either way, we're glad that we could help you.